Are you ready to take your first steps into fine jewellery making? Working with claw settings, pear-shaped stones, gold, precious and semi-precious gemstones. If so, this professional online course from Jewellers Academy was made for you. Taught by experienced goldsmith and bench jeweller Stelios Karantonas, you will learn to work with cast settings, to solder them in place and to make stunning and commercial designs, as well as the art of setting the stone yourself. Through a series of professionally filmed lessons, you'll learn from start to finish how to make a pendant and ring, design using multiple settings, and finish your work to a great standard. This is an intermediate to advanced level course. Do check the tools and materials list on our site so you have everything you need. All Jewellers Academy courses come with lifetime access, downloadable notes and a supportive community to get your questions answered. I can't wait to see what you make and look forward to welcoming you onto this new course soon.